Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a moving fan in Scratch. So let's begin. First you need a fan sprite. Simply draw a circle and four rectangles behind them, and in the backdrop simply draw a line and a rectangle. Now in the fan sprite do as usual. When green flag is clicked forever, go to now make a new variable called FTS for all sprites. FTS means fan turning speed, and you will go to motion and you will turn right or left as you want. You want the fan to be turning to right or left. Fan turning speed, change turn fan turning speed degrees, and then we'll change fan turning speed by 1. You can also hide the variable FTS at the beginning. So let's check this. If I click the green flag, the fan turning speed is hidden. Let's show the fan turning speed once. Let's click the green flag again. Stop the project. And if you'll see the fan turning speed, let's set the fan turning speed to 0 at the first. Now you can see the fan turning speed is always automatically moving, increasing the number by 1, and the fan is also moving by itself. So this is how you can make a uh, moving fan in Scratch. Hope you liked the tutorial. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.